Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Sahayak. Today in this video I will show you how to show touch pointer indicator in Realme phone. You can see on my phone screen, the touch pointer indicator is showing where I am touching the phone screen. Guys, let's start, how to show touch point indicator. First of all we will go to our phone settings. And then from phone settings, we go to our developer options. Or if there is a search bar in phone settings, then by writing developer options in the search bar, we can easily enter the developer options. If developer options turn off, then turn on. Scroll down and go to input option. Under input, you will see show tap option. Now we will turn on the show tap option to show the touch pointer indicator. If show tap option is on, then the touch pointer will be displayed where we touch on the phone screen. And if it's off, the touch pointer indicator won't appear when we touch our phone screen. And developer options also need to be turned on. If we turn off the developer options, show tap will be turned off automatically. Guys, hope you understood how to enable touch pointer indicator. Guys, if you don't find developer options in your phone settings, then you will understand developer option not enabled in your phone. To enable developer options, you will go to About Phone option. Press on Versions. And press 7 times on Build Number, the developer option will be enabled. When you press on Build Number, it will indicate whether the developer option is enabled. My phone has developer options enabled, so it's showing this message. After enable developer options, you can show touch pointer indicator. Guys, hope you understand. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.